My name is Efthimios Kouloulas. I'm a rehabilitation doctor. Its medical effects are well studied, and there is a intense relief and acute relief of the pain and edema reduction, and accelerates the tissue regeneration. I think its application in the majority of the musculoskeletal conditions and injuries brings it in the, let's say, in the top 3 classification of physical modalities that can be used in combination with other modalities, innovating modalities like shockwave and high-density laser.